Today, we're gonna go over the easiest way to install a sticker on your vehicle. We will be showing you on the drag truck. We have a new sponsor decal we're gonna be throwing on. I already did one side, you can see down there. We're gonna jump over to the other side and I'll show you guys how to make this quick, easy, and painless. If you're trying to put stickers on something yourself, this is the best way I found to do it. Let's get into it. This has definitely taken a few tries. I've tried a bunch of different ways. If you try to just peel it and stick it, you're obviously probably not gonna be perfect. First thing we're gonna do is take a microfiber and we're just gonna wipe down the area roughly where we're going. Body under this is pretty rough, so our sticker might have a couple little indents or whatever, not a huge deal. What you wanna do is take some water and put like a drop of Dawn dish soap in there. And then we're gonna go ahead and don't be afraid to wet this area down, because this is what's gonna let us actually move the sticker around once it's on. And then go ahead and just roughly kind of set it where you want. Don't push on it too hard. We don't want to set it quite yet. Now I'm going to take my measurements for where we want it. Pull off a body line or something. Don't be afraid to take your time and do this right. You don't want to get all done and then have it and then not be happy with your result. Perfect. So I think we're happy there. Now, if you don't have any sort of like transfer tape or top layer over this, you want to be really careful. You don't want to scratch the actual sticker. I have a felt lined squeegee here, so this should be easy on this print. And then now that we're set where we want to start from the middle out and just softly start to press that water out of the edge. You can see. I'm gonna be careful not to move it. Now we can get all that water out. Okay, now just keep going over and over and over. There you go. Give it a light little wipe down, see if we have any bubbles or anything. No, looks perfect. If you do have a bubble or something, a little trick is take an X-Acto knife, basically just pop the bubble very gently and then kind of press it down, and that should make it sit down a little bit tighter than what it was. If you have dirt and stuff underneath it though, you're kind of screwed. It is what it is. There you go, nice and quick one for you guys today. We're almost wrapped up with the drag truck. Racing season is getting close. If you guys want to follow along, feel free to check out the channel. I'd really appreciate it. As always, I appreciate all the support. Thank you guys so much for watching. Take it easy. I'll catch you on the next one.